Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best VR headsets that are available on the market in 2025 for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned VR enthusiast or a beginner exploring virtual reality, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the generic VR headset, a budget-friendly option designed for casual users who want to dabble in virtual reality without breaking the bank. This headset is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including iPhone and Samsung devices, making it versatile for both iOS and Android users. The standout feature here is the foldable Bluetooth headphones, which offer convenience and portability. Additionally, it has adjustable focal settings and interpupillary distance, ensuring a more personalized and comfortable viewing experience. In terms of design, the lightweight construction and padded face cushioning make it suitable for extended use. But the build quality feels somewhat basic and less durable compared to higher-end models. It's ideal for 3D movie viewing and casual gaming, but don't expect cutting-edge VR performance here. The visuals are adequate, offering panoramic views, but they lack the sharpness and immersion found in premium headsets. While the price might be tempting, this headset is best suited for kids and beginners looking for occasional use rather than serious gamers or VR enthusiasts. The biggest downside is its limited compatibility with larger or newer smartphones, and the customer reviews, sitting at just 3.0 stars, reflect mixed experiences. Pros include affordability and ease of use, while cons center around basic performance and middling build quality. At rank number 4, the Lamtranquel VR headset delivers a surprisingly polished experience for smartphone-based VR. This headset supports iPhone and Android devices up to 6.3 inches and offers adjustable lens and headband settings to optimize comfort and clarity for users of all ages. It's designed to transform your phone into a VR powerhouse, making it a great entry-level option for beginners. The immersive 100-degree field of view offers a decent sense of depth, transporting users into virtual worlds for gaming, education, or movie watching. The build quality is lightweight, weighing just 15.2 ounces, while the adjustable headband ensures a snug fit. However, it's important to note that it's not compatible with larger smartphones, which could limit its usability for some users. The anti-blue lens technology is a thoughtful touch, reducing eye strain during extended use. Performance-wise, it's great for casual VR experiences, but lacks the processing power and resolution of standalone VR systems. With a perfect 5.0-star customer rating, this headset is well received for its versatility and ease of use. Pros include its affordability, adjustable features, and beginner-friendly design, while cons are limited compatibility with larger phones and basic VR performance compared to more advanced devices. Overall, it's an excellent gift for kids and families just starting their VR journey. At rank number 3, the Destech V5 VR headset offers a significant upgrade for smartphone-based VR users. This headset is compatible with a wide range of iPhone and Samsung devices, and it supports wearing glasses, making it accessible to a broader audience. Featuring anti-blue light HD lenses and a 110-degree field of view, this headset provides excellent visual clarity and reduces eye strain, making it perfect for longer sessions. Its lightweight design at just 13 ounces ensures portability and comfort, whether you're at home or on the go. The Destech V5 comes with a controller, adding an extra layer of interactivity for gaming and navigation. The build quality is solid, with a T-shaped headband that evenly distributes pressure and adjustable lens settings to optimize focus and pupil distance. This headset excels at providing an immersive 3D experience, making it ideal for VR gaming, 360-degree videos, and exploring virtual environments. However, it's worth noting that it requires users to remove their phone cases for proper fit, which might be inconvenient for some. Customer reviews are highly positive, with a 4.7-star rating reflecting its reliability and performance for beginners and intermediate users. Pros include its excellent lens technology, lightweight design, and included controller. While cons are limited compatibility with larger phones and the need for occasional adjustments. Overall, the Destech V5 is a fantastic mid-tier option for anyone looking to explore VR without splurging on a standalone device. At rank number 2, the Meta Quest 3S is a game-changer for mixed reality experiences. This headset seamlessly blends virtual objects with your physical space, creating a unique hybrid world for gaming, fitness, and entertainment. With Batman Arkham Shadow included and access to 30-plus games via Meta Horizon Plus, this bundle offers incredible value for gamers. Its next-gen MR technology delivers stunning visuals and immersive gameplay, making it perfect for those who want the best of both VR and AR. The design is sleek and modern, with a robust build that feels premium. The headset weighs 3.04 pounds, slightly heavier than other models, but the ergonomic fit ensures comfort during extended use. The included accessories, such as headset detailing and controllers, elevate the experience, providing customization options for different playstyles. Performance-wise, the Meta Quest 3S is powered by cutting-edge technology that enables smooth gameplay and crisp visuals. It's ideal for users seeking a versatile device that can handle everything from gaming to fitness workouts. With a 4.5-star rating, this headset is well regarded for its immersive features and bundled content. Pros include the expansive game library, mixed reality capabilities, and premium design, while cons are its higher weight and slightly steeper learning curve for new users. If you're looking for a high-quality mixed reality headset, the Meta Quest 3S is definitely worth considering. And finally, at rank number 1, we have the Meta Quest 2, the gold standard for standalone VR headsets. With a super fast processor and high-resolution display, this all-in-one device delivers a seamless and immersive experience. Whether it's high-speed gaming, fitness, or social multiplayer, the Meta Quest 2 excels in every category. It's wireless, lightweight, and doesn't require a PC or console, making it incredibly convenient for users of all skill levels. With over 250 titles in its expanding library, including exclusive releases, this headset offers an unmatched variety of content. The design is minimalistic yet functional, with intuitive controls and a built-in battery for extended play sessions. At just 1.83 pounds, it's lighter than the Meta Quest 3S, making it more comfortable for prolonged use. Features like 3D positional audio, hand tracking, and haptic feedback elevate the immersion, allowing users to truly lose themselves in virtual worlds. Whether you're looking to explore blockbuster fantasies or collaborate in virtual workspaces, the Meta Quest 2 delivers exceptional performance and versatility. With a stellar 4.7-star rating and thousands of positive reviews, this headset is a favorite among VR enthusiasts. Pros include its lightweight design, expansive game library, and intuitive setup, while cons are the lack of mixed reality features found in newer models. For anyone seeking an advanced standalone VR experience, the Meta Quest 2 is hands down the best choice on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys! I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the right VR headset for you. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Catch you in the next video!